Look under your kitchen sink, in your garage, on that cluttered shelf in the laundry room. I'd bet money there's a blue and yellow can sitting right there, half-used, gathering dust. You bought it years ago for a squeaky hinge, used it once, and forgot it existed. Here's what should bother you. That little can you've been ignoring could have saved you from the dozens of frustrating problems you've spent real money trying to fix some other way. The scuff marks you scrubbed at for an hour. The stuck zipper you finally gave up on and threw the jacket away. The rusted tool you tossed in the trash. The squeak in your car door that's been driving you insane for months. The gum ground into the carpet. The label adhesive you picked at until your fingernails hurt. Every one of those, solvable in about 30 seconds with the thing already in your house. And most people have no idea. They use it for one job, maybe two, completely blind to the fact that this stuff was practically engineered to rescue you from the small, maddening annoyances that pile up around a home. Tonight, I'm going to give you 17 genius uses, counted down from number 17 all the way to number 1. And the closer we get to number 1, the more useful and the more surprising they become. Number 1 is the one almost nobody knows, and it could save you from an expensive repair you'd otherwise hand straight to a professional. But if you skip ahead, you'll miss the one warning that matters most. The surface you should never spray this on, the mistake that turns a quick fix into permanent damage. We'll get there. Stay with me, let's start the countdown. Number 17, it silences squeaks everywhere, not just door hinges. Yes, everyone knows it stops a squeaky door. But people stop there, and that's the tragedy. That same maddening squeak lives in dozens of places you've learned to tune out. The office chair that announces every time you shift your weight. The bed frame that creaks in the middle of the night. The ceiling fan with the faint rhythmic tick. The garden gate, the cabinet hinge, the trampoline springs, the windshield wipers that judder across the glass. A quick spray on the moving joint, a few seconds to work in, and the noise that's been quietly grinding on your nerves simply stops. The point isn't that it lubricates. You knew that. The point is how many silent little irritations in your home you've never thought to aim it at. But lubrication is honestly the most obvious thing it does. Number 16 is where it starts getting unexpected. Number 16, it removes crayon, scuff marks, and the messes kids leave behind. If you've got children, you know the heartbreak of finding your wall turned into an art gallery. Crayon marching across the paint, marker on the baseboards, those black scuff streaks down the hallway from shoes and furniture. You scrub with soap, you try magic erasers, you wear your arm out and barely make a dent. Spray a little WD-40 onto a cloth and wipe, and that crayon lifts off painted walls, hard floors, and trim like it was never there. It works on scuff marks on tile and vinyl too, the gray streaks that make a clean floor look dirty no matter how much you mop. One wipe, and they vanish. It quietly handles the messes that would otherwise eat an entire Saturday afternoon. Now, number 15 is one I think frustrates people more than almost anything else on this list. Number 15, it frees stuck zippers instantly. Is there anything more rage-inducing than a zipper that won't budge? The jacket you love, jammed halfway. The suitcase you need to close as you're rushing out the door. The tent zipper that snags every single time. People yank, they force it, they break the slider clean off, and then the whole garment or bag is ruined over a tiny strip of metal. A tiny spray onto the zipper teeth, careful to keep it off the fabric, and the slider glides like new. It dissolves the grime and corrosion, gumming up the works. That jacket you were about to give up on? Saved in seconds. The little things you were ready to throw away come back to life. And speaking of bringing things back from the dead, number 14 is one of WD-40's original superpowers, and it's a big one. Number 14, it rescues rusted tools, bolts, and hardware. You go to use a wrench, a pair of pliers, an old hinge, and it's seized solid with rust. The bolt won't turn, the blade won't open. Most people assume the tool is finished and throw it out, then go buy a replacement. Spray WD-40 on, let it soak for a few minutes so it can penetrate, and work the joint back and forth. The rust loosens, the parts free up, and tools you'd written off come back to working life. It even helps lift surface rust off metal when you wipe it down afterward. That's money you don't have to spend replacing things that were never actually broken, just stuck. But here's where it gets into territory most people would never guess. Number 13 is the one that makes people say, wait, really? Number 13. It removes sticky label residue and gunk from almost anything. You peel a price sticker off a new dish, a gift, a piece of glassware, and it leaves behind that maddening gummy patch that grabs onto every speck of dust. You pick at it, you scrub it, and it just smears around. Same with tape residue, sticker goo on your kids' toys, and the glue left behind by bumper stickers. A little WD-40 dissolves that adhesive almost instantly. Spray it on, wait a moment, wipe it clean, and the surface is smooth like the sticker was never there. Glass, metal, most hard plastics, gone in seconds. It's one of those uses that feels almost magical the first time you watch the gunk just wipe away. Now, number 12 is one that could genuinely save you a moment of panic. Number 12, it gets rings, stuck fingers, and jewelry unstuck. We've all done it, or watched a kid do it. A ring goes on, swells a little, and suddenly won't come off. The panic sets in, the finger turns red, and you're picturing a trip to the emergency room. Or a metal ring, a toy, something a child got a finger wedged into. A little WD-40 around the stuck spot provides enough slip to ease it free gently without yanking or hurting the skin. Wash up well afterward, of course. It's the kind of quick trick that turns a small emergency into a non-event. Exactly the sort of thing you'll be glad you knew before you needed it. We're getting into the real gems now. Number 11 solves a problem that makes people feel like their whole house is falling apart. Number 11, it stops squealing, sticking drawers, and sliding doors. A drawer that screeches and catches every time you open it. A sliding closet door that jumps the track and grinds. A patio door so stiff you have to throw your whole body into it. These wear on you daily, and people assume the only fix is replacing the hardware or the runners entirely. A spray along the tracks and runners, and everything glides smooth and silent again. Window channels that have gone stiff, shower doors that drag, screen doors that stick, all of it loosens up in seconds. You stop fighting your own house every time you try to open something. Now, number 10 is a beauty because it tackles something that makes your whole home look neglected. Number 10, it cleans and shines stainless steel. Stainless steel appliances look gorgeous in the showroom and then immediately become fingerprint magnets the second they're in your kitchen. Smudges, streaks, water spots, little handprints all over the fridge and dishwasher. You wipe them and they just smear into a hazy mess. A small amount of WD-40 on a soft cloth, wiped along the grain of the metal, cuts through the fingerprints and leaves a clean, even shine. It also lays down a thin barrier that helps resist the next round of smudges. Your appliances look polished and new again, and it takes a fraction of the time and effort of fighting them with spray cleaner and paper towels. But before we climb higher, here's the warning I promised, because it matters enormously. The one mistake you must not make. Do not spray WD-40 onto unsealed surfaces where oil will soak in and stain. Think raw wood, certain natural stones, and especially fabric or upholstery you care about. It's a petroleum-based product, and on the wrong porous surface, it can leave a mark that's very hard to remove. Always test a hidden spot first, wipe away the excess, and keep it off anything you'd be heartbroken to stain. Used in the right places, it's a miracle. Used carelessly, it can create the very mess you were trying to fix. Now you know. So let's get to the best ones. Number 9. It removes gum, candle wax, and crayon from carpet and hair. Few things make your stomach drop like gum ground into the carpet, or worse, stuck in a child's hair. The old advice is ice cubes and scissors and a whole lot of crying. Candle wax dripped onto the carpet, or a tablecloth feels equally permanent. Spray a bit of WD-40 onto the gum or wax, let it sit a moment, and it loosens its grip so you can lift it cleanly out of the fibers, or out of hair, carefully, keeping it away from the eyes and washing thoroughly after. The thing you were sure had ruined the carpet comes free. It's a genuine rescue in a moment that usually ends in scissors and regret. Now, Number 8 is one drivers will especially love. Number 8, it tackles car problems most people pay a shop to fix. Your car is full of little WD-40 jobs hiding in plain sight. The door hinge that creaks every time you get in, the squeaky brake pedal, tar and bug splatter and bird mess baked onto the paint that won't wash off, stickers on the bumper or window you want gone, door and window seals that have gone stiff and sticky. A careful spray loosens stuck tar and grime so it wipes off the paint, frees up squeaky hinges, and softens rubber seals so doors close cleanly. It can even help dry out a damp distributor cap in a pinch. That was practically what the stuff was born to do. Little fixes you'd otherwise hand to a mechanic, handled in your own driveway. We're into the top of the list now, and these are the ones that really change how you see this can. Number 7, protects the things you're constantly losing money replacing. Number 7, it prevents rust and corrosion before it ever starts. Everything so far has been about fixing problems after they happen. This one stops them from happening at all. Garden tools left in a damp shed, the snow shovel, bike chains, outdoor hardware, the metal bits on your patio furniture, they all slowly rust, and then one day they're ruined. A light coating of WD-40 lays down a protective barrier that repels moisture and holds rust off. Wipe it onto your tools before you store them for the season, onto the lawnmower blade, onto anything metal that lives in a damp place, and it dramatically extends their life. You stop replacing the same items year after year. Prevention is the kind of saving you never see on a receipt, but it adds up enormously. Number 6 is one that'll make outdoor life so much more bearable. Number 6, it keeps pests and grime off your outdoor spaces. Wasps love to build nests under eaves, around patios, in the gaps of outdoor furniture. People reach for harsh sprays, but a coating of WD-40 on the spots where they tend to nest discourages them from building there in the first place. It also helps keep snow from sticking to shovels and chutes, stops mud from caking onto tools, and keeps grime from bonding to surfaces you have to clean constantly. It's a quiet defensive layer for the parts of your home that take the most abuse from weather and bugs. Less scrubbing, fewer nasty surprises, fewer harsh chemicals, just a thin barrier doing the work for you. Now, number 5 is the one that saves your favorite things from the trash. Number 5, it revives stiff leather, hinges on glasses, and worn-out everyday items. Think of all the small things that wear out and get thrown away. Squeaky scissors that won't glide. The tiny screw hinge on your glasses that's stiff and grinding. Garden shears that have gotten hard to squeeze. A roller skate or scooter wheel that's seized up. A tiny, careful application brings the motion right back. Pruning shears snap open and shut smoothly again. The kids' toys with wheels roll like new. These are things you'd quietly replace, one after another, never realizing a single drop in the right joint would have given them years more life. We're almost there. Number 4 solves one of the most embarrassing household frustrations. Number 4, it loosens stuck, over-tightened, and corroded screws and nuts. You're trying to fix something, and the screw simply will not turn. It's rusted, it's painted over, it's stripped at the edges, and every attempt just chews it up worse. The whole project grinds to a halt over one stubborn fastener, and the frustration is enough to make you walk away from the job entirely. Spray WD-40 onto the screw or bolt, give it a few minutes to creep into the threads, and suddenly it breaks loose and turns. It penetrates exactly where the corrosion has locked things together. Projects that would have ended in a stripped screw and a string of curse words sail right through. That penetrating power is the heart of what this stuff was originally designed to do. Now, the top 3. Number 3 quietly protects something you depend on every single day. Number 3, it waterproofs and protects shoes, tools, and gear. Caught in the rain with shoes that soak through in seconds? A light coating of WD-40 on leather or canvas footwear helps repel water and keep your feet dry. The same trick protects the metal parts of garden tools, the surfaces of power equipment, and outdoor gear that takes a beating from the elements. It's like giving your everyday items a thin, invisible raincoat. The things you rely on last longer, stay drier, and hold up better against the weather, all from a few seconds with a can you already own. most people never think to use it protectively, and they pay for it in replacements. Number 2 is the one that'll make your home look noticeably cleaner with almost no effort. Number 2, it cleans the grimy, greasy messes nothing else will touch. The toughest grime in your home laughs at ordinary cleaners. Baked on grease on the stovetop and range hood. Sticky, dust-caked gunk on cabinet handles. Permanent marker that ended up somewhere it shouldn't. Scuffs and grease on tile grout. Crusty buildup on tools and equipment. You scrub and it barely moves. WD-40 cuts straight through grease and a huge range of stubborn stains that resist everything else. Spray, let it sit briefly, wipe it away, and surfaces you'd given up on come clean. It even lifts marker and many tough stains off hard surfaces. The jobs that used to take a whole arm-aching afternoon collapse into a quick wipe. It's the cleaning shortcut hiding in plain sight. And now, number 1, the one I promised could save you from an expensive repair, the use almost nobody knows. Number 1, it dries out electronics and stops corrosion on connections. Here's the secret in the name itself. WD-40 stands for Water Displacement 40th Formula. Displacing water and driving out moisture is the core thing it was invented to do, and that's exactly what makes this final use so powerful. When moisture gets into electrical connections, battery terminals, spark plug wires, or the contacts on outdoor equipment, it causes corrosion and those maddening intermittent failures. The tool that won't start, the connection that flickers, the terminal crusted with white buildup. People assume the device is dead and pay to repair or replace it. A spray of WD-40 displaces the moisture, cleanses and protects the metal contacts, and loosens the corrosion choking the connection. And that's it from this video. See you in the next one.